Hello bachcho, let's see the question. Select the correct sequence for transport of sperm cells in male reproductive system. So sperms or the male gametes, and male gametes are formed in testis, and from testis they are carried forward by a number of tubes. So we have to choose the correct sequence out of these four. So let's see what happens. So if we draw the diagram of a testis, so this is a testis, and inside each testis there are about 250 compartments like this. These are the compartments. So about 250 compartments are there in the testis, and these compartments are called testicular lobules. So testicular lobules, in each lobule there are 1, 2 or 3 tubes, and these tubes are called the seminiferous tubules. So these are the highly coiled tubes here. So these highly coiled tubes are called the seminiferous tubule, and the seminiferous tubule is the site where sperms are formed. So site of sperm formation is seminiferous tubules. So these seminiferous tubules, they open into a network of tubes. So this is representing the network of a tube, and this network of a tube is called Rete testis. So this is Rete testis, which is a network of tubules or small tubes, Rete testis. Now from these Rete testis there arise some small ducts or tubes. These small tubes are called Vasa efferentia. Singular is vas efferens. So these are small ciliated tubes which are called Vasa efferentia, which carry the sperm outside the testis, and these tubes open into a highly coiled tube. This is another tube, and this tube is coiled, and this highly coiled tube is called epididymis. So it is epididymis, and this epididymis then enter into the abdominal cavity by a tube which is called the vas deferens. So here it is clear that sperms are transported from testis to Rete testis. From Rete testis they enter into Vasa efferentia. From Vasa efferentia they are carried to the epididymis, and from epididymis they enter into the vas deferens. So this is the correct pathway of transport of sperms. So let's see what are the options given here. So first option is testis to epididymis. No, this is incorrect because vas efferentia are present before the epididymis. So this is wrong. Now the next is testis to epididymis then to vas efferentia. Again the same mistake here. Seminiferous tubules, as I told you that inside testis there are tubes which are called seminiferous tubules, and in the seminiferous tubules sperms are formed. So from seminiferous tubules to Rete testis to Vasa efferentia to epididymis and to vas deferens. So this is the correct route of transport of sperm. So option C is the right answer. If we see further, then option D is seminiferous tubules to Vasa efferentia to epididymis to inguinal canal. So this is wrong here, as inguinal canal is a different thing. It is the structure by which the scrotum is connected to the abdominal cavity. So it is wrong statement. So here the only right statement is option C. So it is our right answer. All the best, bachcho.